I'm fucking losing my mind, waking up every day pretending I'm okay while my thoughts spiral, my chest feels heavy, and everything inside me is screaming. I've been carrying shit nobody sees, smiling through pressure, swallowing anger, acting strong for people who never asked how much it was costing me. I held it down for people who couldn't keep one promise, drained my energy dry, then looked confused when I stopped explaining myself. They loved me when I was useful, dependable, convenient, but vanished the moment I needed support instead of being their fucking backbone. I didn't wake up cold or bitter, and I was molded by betrayal, silence, disrespect, and being loyal way longer than I should have been. Now I move different, I talk less, I trust slower, because protecting my peace hurts less than trusting people again. If this sounds angry, good, because anger kept me alive when hope failed, when nobody checked in, when quitting felt peaceful. I'm still standing, not healed, not okay, but stronger than before, and if that version scares you, remember you helped create it.